In this video, I am going to discuss about inductive effect. The polarization of a covalent bond causes the polarization of an adjacent bond in the same molecule. These types of electron displacement along a chain is called the inductive effect. Let me explain with an example. Carbon and halogen share the electron pair, form a covalent bond between them. This electron dense which is moves towards more electronegative atom. Compare carbon, halogen like fluorine. Carbon then halogen like fluorine. Which one is more electronegative value? Carbon, it has the electronegative value of 2.55. Then halogen 3.98. So halogen is more electronegative element. It starts dragging electron density from all this carbon. As they drag electron density from C1, and then again from C2, further again from C3. This develops partial positive charge on C1, C2, then C3. Because of X dragging the electron density, it gets partial charge. Now see the definition of inductive effect. See, the polarization of a covalent bond causes the polarization of an adjacent bond in the same molecule. These types of electron displacement along a chain is called inductive effect. It is a permanent effect. It decreases rapidly as the distance from the source increases, which means C1 is closer to the electronegative atom. It has a more inductive effect compared to C2, C3. So the inductive effect order is C1 is greater than C2 than C3. See that it decreases rapidly as the distance from the source increases. This effect is almost negligible beyond C2. There are two types of inductive effect, plus I effect, then minus I effect. Plus I effect is the electron donating group or electron releasing group which releasing electrons into electron deficient carbocation. CH3 thrice C, then CH3 twice CH, CH3, CH2, CH3O minus CO minus. These are the example of a plus I effect. Then minus I effect is electron accepting group or electron withdrawing group. It draw an electrons away from carbon ion. NO3, NH3, NO2, CN, COOH, or OH, halogen. These are the example of minus I effect.